This is Beverly Ann Freeman with our forgiveness meditation. I want you to start by closing your eyes for me and just taking some nice deep breaths. Just breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. In meditation, if you breathe through the nose, it's a finer breath. It gets to the blood cells and circulates the body much quicker than when you breathe through the mouth. Just allow yourself to focus on the breath. And as you focus on the breath, you can relax more and more with every breath, relaxing down deeply into a deeper state of consciousness. Focus on your feet and just visualize roots growing out of the bottom of your feet, growing into the floor, into the earth, connecting with the soils and the minerals, connecting with the earth and just allowing you to become grounded, allowing you to connect to the earth and being aware of the physical, being aware of the physical experience. Gently breathing in and breathing out. And I want you to acknowledge the physical, acknowledging the whole body. And as we start to acknowledge the body, we start to release the body and relax the muscles and the bones and the nerves. So starting with your feet, just allow your toes to gently go limp and floppy and relaxed. Allow the feet, the arches and the small bones in the feet, being aware of them and then letting them go. Feeling the ankles go nice and limp and floppy and relaxed. Allowing the calf muscles, the knees to be limp. Be aware of the thigh muscles, the buttocks and the pelvis, and release and relax. Focus on the tummy, the gut, the brain, the epicenter of the body. And as you focus on your tummy and your gut, just allow yourself to release, relax, and let go. Allow your solar plexus to be open, your emotional center, to be completely open to this process today, this process of forgiveness and letting go. Soften your rib cage. Expand the chest, let your shoulders drop, releasing any stress or tension through the shoulders, through the arms, the elbows, the forearms, letting your wrists become limp and floppy and relaxed, and allowing your fingertips to relax down completely, really letting go and allowing yourself to acknowledge the physical and then release into a state of complete relaxation. Focus on the throat and the vocal cords, releasing the throat and the vocal cords. Relax the face and the muscles in the face. Allow your eyelids to become heavier and heavier. Your eyelids, so heavy now, and the more you try to open them, the heavier they become. Focus on the forehead and the temples, releasing the skull, easing down the back, through the neck and across the shoulders. Start to relax through the spine, starting at the top of the spine, easing and pushing down vertebrae by vertebrae, from the top of the spine, right through to the tip, and just let go. Just allow your whole body to be in a state of complete relaxation. Be fully present in the moment, knowing that this is where you're truly alive. As you focus on the breath, you can imagine that you're just drifting and floating towards a beautiful staircase. This staircase is carpeted with a thick, lush carpet of your favourite colour. As you stand at the top of the staircase, I'm going to count backwards from 3 to 0. And when I reach 0, you'll be ready to descend the staircase. And with each count of the numbers, with each step, you'll feel yourself falling deeper and deeper into relaxation. 3, 2, beginning to just drift and float towards that top step. 1, 0. As you stand at the top of the staircase, you can start to descend. 10, 9, 8, falling deeper and deeper. 7, 6, trusting yourself, your intuition, and me in this whole process. 5, 4, 3, 2, reaching the bottom of the staircase, and 1. And as you reach the bottom of the staircase, you'll find yourself in a beautiful meadow. As you walk through this meadow, you can feel long blades of grass floating around your feet and ankles. There's a pathway, and as you follow the pathway, you feel completely calm, safe, and relaxed. You take a few steps along the pathway. There's absolutely no resistance. It's a beautiful summer's day. The sun is shining and the sky is blue. There's a gentle breeze fluttering through the trees. As you feel the warmth of the sun on your face, you can just feel the coolness of the breeze. You're alone here, but you feel safe and at peace. You stroll through the meadow. You become aware of a riverbank nearby, and you just start to take a few steps over to the river. And when you reach the side of the river, you can just kneel down by the side of this river. You take a moment here just to reflect on all the people who have hurt you or caused you pain in your life. Anybody who you've had a difficult time letting go of, when the memories are strong and raw in your mind, whether it's been 1 or 2 acts, or whether it's deep related trauma. You're mindful of these people, these places and these actions, all of the situations that have caused you pain and suffering in the past. And as you become aware of them, you also become acutely aware that you cannot hold on to them any longer. You make a decision to release all of the feelings of negativity, sadness, despair, releasing them now into the river and watching the flow of the water take them away. And as you release, you say, I forgive you. I don't condone your behavior, but I'm willing to let it go. You just dip your hand in the river and take a sip of the clean, cool water, and the most wonderful, magical healing energy runs down your throat and into your tummy. And it just feels so good to be replenished, revitalized, allowing yourself to let go completely as you release and let go. There's a wave of forgiveness that moves through your whole body, and you can feel lighter, feeling lighter and lighter as you let go of more and more. Just take a few moments here just to see if there's anyone else that you need to forgive, if there's a residue. And then just release and let go. Take another sip of the clean, cool water. Feel it trickling down your throat and into your belly. Feel that cleansing feeling and allow yourself to become lighter once more. I want you to take a moment here to think about all the suffering in the world, sadness, the pain, governments, policies, illness, poverty, homelessness, terrorism, sending love and compassion to all those who experience these tragic and negative events, but making the decision not to carry this or burden yourself with this, but instead to send out loving thoughts, to become the embodiment of love and forgiveness, so that through this act, love and forgiveness will transcend throughout the whole of the earth, the universe, planes and dimensions of consciousness, that you therefore become an antennae for love, forgiveness and peace on every level of consciousness as you release and let go. And forgiveness makes you feel free, makes you feel lighter, but it also transmutes to all of those around you. True love and peace in the world starts with you, and you can feel yourself now working from the inside out as you give love, forgiveness and compassion to yourself and all those around you, so the world becomes a better place. You feel free. Take a few moments here just to contemplate and just to rest.